This is the best pasta recipe you'll see today. Put 250 grams of pasta in a pot of boiling water. Then add a teaspoon of salt and let's stir and let it cook until tender. Then, in a saucepan, add 2 tablespoons of butter and a little olive oil. Let the butter melt. Then add 180 grams of onion cream. Stir for a minute and see how it turns out. Then add 500 milliliters of milk. And stir until it's creamy. Then add 200 grams of cream and stir. Oh, it's a delicious cream. This is the best pasta cream I've ever made. Add a teaspoon of nutmeg and keep stirring. Then add a cup of peas and stir again. Now our pasta is cooked al dente and we're going to drain the water. And here in our cream, we'll add 200 grams of chopped ham. Stir again and it's simply delicious. Look how beautiful this cream is. There won't be any leftovers. Now we can add our pasta. Just stir until it's all covered in the cream. Next, I'll add grated mozzarella cheese to taste. And we'll also add 100 grams of grated Parmesan cheese. And we'll stir it in gently. Just looking at it makes you want to eat it. And this pasta is perfect. No need for anything else. Just serve it up. This recipe is wonderful, very simple, quick to make, and delicious, of course. I'm sure this recipe, it's an unforgettable taste. And let me know what you think of this recipe, because your opinion is very important to us. So that's it, my loves. I hope you enjoyed it and see you in the next video. Bye-bye.